Electric field intensity at different regions of infinitely charged plane sheet. Thin plane sheet. This is the plane sheet. Two plane sheets are there. Sheet A and sheet B. We have to find the electric field intensity at these three places. Place 1, 2, 3 or region 1, 2, 3. Plate A is having surface charge density sigma 1 and plate 2 is having surface charge density sigma 2. Right? At these three regions we have to find the electric field intensity, net electric field intensity. The fundamental is required that for the thin sheet, we know earlier also E is equal to the magnitude of electric field intensity because of that thin sheet is sigma by 2 epsilon naught. For the thick sheet, E is equal to sigma by epsilon naught. Sigma by epsilon naught. That we know. For the thin sheet, sigma by 2 epsilon naught, and for the thin sheet, thick sheet is मोटा sheet है, तो E is equal to sigma by epsilon naught. That is the fundamental. Now these two are the charge plates infinitely. Say imagine this is a charge infinite plane sheet. We have to find the electric field intensity net at region A, at region B, 2, 1, 2 and 3. Three regions are there. Now what is the assumption? Assumption is that we know that electric field intensity is vector quantity having the magnitude as well as the direction. Magnitude we know. We are going to find first the thin sheet. Assumption is that for the direction of electric field intensity, usually we are taking the positive x direction as the positive. In this particular direction, it is taken as positive. And if we are taking the negative x direction, then it is taken as negative. That's the assumption we have assumed. You can reverse also, no problem is there. Now, just to see, in this particular region 1, we are going to find at the region 1, region 2, region 3. And here for the first plate, I have assumed the sigma 1 is the surface charge density and sigma 2 is the surface charge density of this particular plate B, A and B. And at this particular point, or the region 1, when we are going to find the electric field intensity, then we have to first we have to find the electric field intensity due to the plate A and due to the plate B. And as it is a positive charge, so the direction of the electric field intensity is this as well as this positive charge away from it. Here also this and this. Now just to see at this region, electric field intensity E at region 1 is due to the electric field intensity by the plate A plus electric field intensity by the plate B. Right? Now just to see at the region 1, we have to move negative x direction this way. So this is the direction. So as we know that when we are moving in the negative x direction, we have to take the negative. So EA is your minus of, as it is the thin charged infinite sheet, plane sheet, minus of sigma 1 by 2 epsilon naught. इसके चलते from this particular plate A plus, and due to the B, again the region 1 is negative x, in this particular direction. So it is also minus of sigma 2 by 2 epsilon naught. So ultimately it is, when we are taking the it common, minus 1 by 2 epsilon naught, then it is sigma 1 plus sigma 2. That is your electric field intensity net at the region 1. Right? That is your first point at the region 1. Why this is negative? Because region 1 is, for the region 1 we have to move left side, means negative x, and for this plate B also we have to move towards the left. So left, or the negative x, we have taken the negative. Then comes to the region 2, E net field due to the at region 2, EA plus EB net EA. For the any point in the region 1, we have to move along the positive x direction. So इसके चलते from with the help of the first charge sheet, so that is your positive sigma 1, the surface charge density of this is your sigma 1 by 2 epsilon naught. And due to this we have to move left side, because point is here. Left side means that is your negative, minus of sigma 2 by 2 epsilon naught. That comes around to 1 by 2 epsilon naught common, sigma 1 minus sigma 2. Right? So this is your E electric field intensity at the region 2. Now at the region 3, any point is there here. So at region 3, electric field intensity at the region 3, electric field intensity due to the A plate, and plus electric field intensity due to the plate B. Now for this particular point, we have to move along the positive x direction from the for the plate A and for the plate B. So for the plate A, that is your positive sigma 1 by 2 epsilon naught plus sigma 2 by 2 epsilon naught. For the EB also along the positive x direction, so it is 1 by 2 epsilon naught common sigma 1 plus sigma 2. So that is your E3. So this is the expression for the electric field intensity at all the three regions. This question asked in the board exam in the year 2020. So 3 marks questions had been there. So you remember, for the region 1 we have to move. Region 1 means a particular point is here. So we have to move along the left side here due to the to find the EB. Again we have to move towards the left side. So left side, as according to the convention, we have to move. If we are moving along the positive x, we have to take the positive. If we are moving negative x, that is negative E. So at this EA plus EB, negative, that's the expression. At point B, or the region B, for region B at any point at the region B, region 2, from A we have to move towards the positive x direction. So taken positive, and for the B we are moving negative x direction. So positive and negative taken common. At the region 3, here one point is there. Due to the A, we have to move along the positive x from the for the EB, to find the EB we have to move again the positive x. So plus. These 3 are the very important expression. If it is thick sheet, say if the thick sheet is there, so only difference is that for the thick sheet we know E is equal to sigma by epsilon naught, not 2 epsilon naught but only epsilon naught. So for the thick sheet we can easily find out only the here the twice will not be there, 2 are not there, only the sigma. That's all. Very important point you have to remember, right?